In this tutorial, I will show you how to fund your BlockSettle account. Go to our webpage and then log into the client's portal. Once inside of the client's portal, go to the Account Management tab and press Add Bank Account. Enter your account type, either IBAN or BIC/SWIFT, and then the relevant account details. Also enter the name of your account. To prove your ownership of the account, upload a bank statement with your name and the account name as proof of ownership. Press Register Bank Account to send the information for review. The accounts are reviewed during business hours, and the review usually doesn't take more than an hour. Once the account is accepted, you can go to the Account Management tab again and press Deposit. Create a deposit to the IBAN shown on screen from your external bank account. Remember to enter the reference number in the payment so that we can process it faster. The funds can be used for trading once the deposit is detected.